My name is Rose Krzemien, and this is my presentation, Experience Corps and its Impact on Older Adults. Experience Corps was established in 1995 in order to include older individuals in reviving and maintaining a sense of purpose in communities, as well as providing children with assistance with schoolwork. This also provided children the adult interaction and guidance needed at their particular age group. This intergenerational program now reaches children and adults in 19 communities around the country with over 2,000 volunteers. In 2011, the organization joined forces with AARP in order to enhance an all-around experience for older Americans. Much like AARP, Experience Corps stresses the importance of community involvement and volunteering for individuals 50 and over. Also, independent research showed improvements in both adult and children participants within the program. Whether we realize it or not, social relationships also allow us to maintain mental health and mood throughout our lives. No matter what type of personality we might be, everyone needs some form of human interaction on a daily basis. By providing intergenerational interactions, older individuals are able to maintain and work on growing relationships with students. They also provide them with a relationship that they might have with their own children or grandchildren that they might not experience anymore. Overall, the intergenerational interaction provides both sides with needed guidance and social bonding from each generational group. Within the MacArthur studies of successful aging, researchers looked at the relationship between successful aging and relationships. The participants were asked in interviews and measured quantitatively about their cognitive functioning as well as their current social relationships, whether they were widowed, single, no children, etc. The results concluded that individuals who received more emotional support ended up performing better cognitively during the first testing as well as in the 7-year follow-up with very little decline. Although there were no significant differences between men and women, women tended to show less social conflict when they had larger networks of relationships and closer ties. In tandem with social interactions, volunteering can also promote some long-term health benefits for individuals. By allowing individuals to be involved in their communities and interact, their physical and mental health are being improved through the simplicity that Experience Corps provides older adults with interacting in an after-school-based program. As mentioned in the article from previous research, it has been suggested that volunteering improves well-being, life satisfaction, and stops the dramatic decline of functioning associated with older age. Participants from this research were actually individuals who were recruited for the Baltimore chapter of Experience Corps that were ages 60 and older. Using standard forms of measurement as well as self-reports, data was collected from the volunteers before volunteering as well as several points throughout the process. Regardless of how the individual's health was before volunteering, all levels of health qualification increased by the end of volunteering. Those individuals in fair or poor health had results that equaled or surpassed the other two groups of the baseline health statuses after the completion of 1 year of volunteering. The only portion of the results shown above that were not significant were the walking speeds. In addition to health and social relationships, these interactions could lead to more control over emotions. Some people believe that older individuals develop depression as part of old age just because of the fact that they're more prone to injuries and disease, when in fact, they may just be trying to adjust to a life-changing event like retiring or the death of a spouse. The Wall Street Journal published an article in 2012 on the research of Dr. Branson and colleagues. They worked on researching different coping mechanisms for older individuals dealing with life changes. Through the comparison of other research results, it was actually found that older individuals are actually less susceptible to depression as compared to younger individuals. However, they are more likely to dwell on what they did instead of what they have to look forward to. By focusing on positive regulation of emotions, older individuals can create a more positive outlook on their lives, which will lead to more meaning in their lives regardless of their age, which I thought was very applicable to the volunteer experience that happens with Experience Corps because of the fact that they are using either previous roles that they had or maintaining roles that they still currently have and putting it towards the community and staying involved regardless of their age. So that concludes my presentation on Experience Corps. Thank you for watching.